In a lush and vibrant forest, there existed three wise animals: Leo the lion, Fiona the fox, and Danny the donkey. Each of them had a distinct role within the forest community, similar to how governance is shared in the Islamic world. Leo, the leader, was respected not only for his strength, but for his wisdom and fairness. He embodied the qualities of a just ruler, one who consults with his advisors and followers, reflecting the principles of shura, or consultation, which many Islamic governments are based on. Fiona the Fox, known for her cleverness and quick thinking, served as the advisor. Her role was to ensure all perspectives were considered in the decision-making process. Her presence was a reminder that intelligence and insight are crucial in governance. Danny the donkey, though seen as more of an everyday worker, was vital to the system. He represented the community, the heart, and the workforce of governance itself. His kind nature and dedication taught that governance should not be about power but about serving and uplifting each member. One day, a disagreement arose in the forest about the best place to store food for the upcoming rainy season. Leo listened to the concerns of the animals, but also leaned on the opinions of his trusted guides. Fiona suggested a particular cave that was well-sheltered and not too far from the river. However, Danny, representing the opinion of the working animals, pointed out that carrying food uphill daily would exhaust them. Understanding the importance of balancing different needs, Leo pondered on how best to proceed. He called a council meeting, inviting not just Fiona and Danny, but also other animals. Here, discussions were held, and opinions were shared freely, drawing upon the shura principle to make a decision that would benefit the welfare of all. In the end, it was decided that food would be stored in multiple locations, some in the cave and some closer to the ground, ensuring accessibility and safety during rains. This decision, reached through collaboration and mutual respect, reinforced the idea that a successful community thrives on shared responsibilities, like the Islamic governance's emphasis on ummah, or the community. And so, peace and contentment reigned in the forest, as all animals felt valued and heard. Each creature knew their voice mattered, and they slept peacefully every night, knowing their leaders cared deeply about their well-being. This story, echoing the system of governance in the Islamic world, taught that unity and fairness lead a community to bloom beautifully.